The one thing that's stopping you from success and how to fix it now. What if I told you the one thing standing between you and your dream life is something you already have, but aren't using? We're all looking for that secret formula to success. The right hack, the magic habit, the one trick that'll finally get us ahead. But what if I told you the key is not about more information, but about unlocking the power you already possess? In this video, we're going to talk about how to tap into your inner potential, how to stop overthinking and start doing. No more waiting for the perfect time, the perfect strategy, or the perfect circumstances. It's time to take control and step into your best self right now. This isn't just another inspirational video, it's a game changer. If you've ever felt stuck, unmotivated, or unsure of where to start, this is for you. So here's the truth. Self-improvement isn't about a fancy technique. It's about consistent, deliberate action. You can wait for a sign, or you can make today the day you start your transformation. This video will help you turn those small daily choices into massive long-term results. Ready to change your life? Let's get started.